Okay, so episode 2. It's been about a year, and I haven't been recording anything from the the construction of the workshop as I promised. But I figured, because it's been a really long process, like I haven't had time to do everything in one step, so I've been doing little by little for a year now, like moving in this machine, preparing that floor, and like getting some tools and putting in the lighting and all. Like it's been a job that I've been doing like in little pieces at a time. But now it's more or less done. Like it's never done, completely done, but it's more or less done. It's still it's so now it's winter again in Sweden, snowing outside, and but it's heading towards spring. So so it's probably gonna be. I don't have a heating system in here, so it's been quite cold. Stand working in here, but it's getting. Hopefully, it's gonna get warmer soon. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around and see what you guys think. I'm quite happy with it. See if I can turn this camera around.